Have you ever had a deadline so tight you thought it was completely impossible? Of course you have. Recently, a major pharma giant contacted us with a special request: create stunning 3D visuals to present a machine at a press conference a couple of weeks later, which would be attended by ambassadors, the Prime Minister, the King, and international news. No big deal, right? But it quickly became, let's say, complicated. We didn't get the engineering files until a few days later, and when they finally showed up, they were massive. Our super powerful computers were crying for help. We managed to crank out some solid stills, but the client changed their mind. They wanted fully animated mechanical elements and particle simulations too, but we had less than a week left. We pulled in the whole team and worked day and night. We were cleaning up files, building 3D elements, and making it all flow smoothly. After a couple of sleepless nights, we delivered the animations with 24 hours left on the clock. Thankfully, the feedback was positive. We made the final adjustments, and the project was delivered right on time. Regulatory team happy, client ecstatic, us exhausted. The event went off without a hitch, but in the end, the King didn't come.